Hello, COM 3350 students. I'm dropping in to give you a brief comment on Module 3 that we've just finished and a preview of Module 4. In the week that just ended on September 18th, you did your first checkpoint paper, checkpoint 1, and uploaded that to the Dropbox. I'll be looking at those as soon as I can. I'm eager to see what connections you were able to make between some of the textbook concepts and the Into Thin Air book. You're going to have a couple more checkpoints throughout the semester, and in each of those, again, I'll be asking you to make connections between a particular concept in the textbook and the adventures that the Into Thin Air crew are having. So this is an exercise in applying what you've learned to a real life situation and to show me that you're able to make those connections. These written assignments are also required because COM 3350 is a baccalaureate writing class, so we have to have a certain number of written assignments on our roster. Okay, now this week we're doing Module 4, which has you reading Chapter 3 of the text and making your original post on the Zappos Google discussion board. Now, this discussion board will work a little differently than the intro board for a few reasons. First of all, the groups are changed on every discussion board, so you'll be with different group mates than you were on the intro board. Secondly, since this discussion board is for an assignment, you'll need to look at the task list inside Module 4 to see what it is I'm asking you to write about in that post. That original post you make is an assignment, so it's not a matter of just writing about whatever takes your attention in those videos. I'm asking you to look for specific things and to write about them in a specific way. So make sure you look at the task list to see what you're being asked for. Now those original posts are due by Saturday night, September 25th. You won't be able to see anyone else's posts until you make your own, so that everybody's original post is their own work. So that's this week. Next week in Module 5, you'll be replying to each other. Remember, discussion boards always have 2 deadlines and take place over 2 weeks. Original posts in the first week, responses in the second week. You can make your responses anytime during the week. I only hold you accountable for replying to people who make their original posts on time. So don't worry when you're in there making your responses that, oh, someone might make their original post late and I'll miss it and I'll lose points. That's not the case. I only hold you accountable for replying to people who made their original post by the Saturday of that first week. In other words, by September 25th. Okay, it is nice if you reply to people who post late, but I don't hold you accountable for doing so. If you did miss that first deadline, go ahead and make your original post. It'll be graded down a bit for being late, but better to post than not at all. Okay, so you are allowed to make an original post late, but your group mates will not be required to reply to an original post that is late. If you have any questions or concerns about any of this, please shoot me an email. I wish you a wonderful week, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.